we have finally got some sunshine here in Kentucky after like a week straight of rain. So anyway, we are heading to a local horse arena to get a bunch more manure because we need a lot more for our gardens than what our 2 horses can supply. So we are loading up in the Chevy Cheyenne that James rebuilt, and we're gonna go get a bunch of manure. Let's go. Loading up. Kids are getting in. I love this truck. This is like a dream farm truck right here. Look at this thing. Beautiful. You boys ready to go? All right, we're here. So this place right here, this is called Cowtown. They have all kinds of really cool horse shows here, but this place is just beautiful. Love it. And this truck, man, it looks good. And that's where she's getting all the manure from. That is some good composted manure. So she just put in the second scoop. Look at how nice this manure is. Oh my gosh, it's so dark and rich. This is really gonna help that garden up in front of our house. All right, we got it loaded up. Look at all this great manure. Amazing. Let's take it home and unload it. We made it home. Look at this beauty. Okay, we got the garden up here tilled, and now we're ready to take the manure up there. All right, James has the latches undone. Now we got to get the tailgate off of there. Got that off. Now we're ready to raise it and dump it.
All right, this is just the control for the hydraulic dump here. We're going to start pushing the up button.
That is incredible. There it is. Nice pile of manure. This truck is incredible. Tailgate's back on. I really like these clamps. So easy to use. So we headed back to Cowtown and got one more really nice big load of manure. We got back, unloaded it, and James used the bucket of our John Deere 5065 to spread it out all over the garden. And as you can see here, he's tilling it in. This is going to help our soil tremendously. We are so blessed. Thank you so much, Cowtown, for giving out manure to tons of small farmers in our community. That is amazing. Also, for the record, James and I did give the lady that loaded it a really nice tip. That's just something we believe in. If someone is willing to take time out of their day to help us, we always try to return the favor and either also help them or give them some form of tip or barter with them. So we gave them cash today. Anyway, having this 1989 Chevy Cheyenne truck is a dream. I cannot explain how convenient and helpful it is for our farm to have a truck that's a flatbed and a dump. James did such an outstanding job. Looking back, I cannot believe he completed this entire thing in under a year. It's the perfect farm truck. So anyway, shout out to my husband for his amazing job on this truck, and stay tuned for all things gardening because this garden is getting in the ground. Happy homesteading!